This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering on the TV and confirming the router is broadcasting the network you plan to use. Enter the TV settings menu and choose Network or Connections. This starts the built-in Wi-Fi scan. You should see your SSID listed. Select it. Then type the exact password, paying attention to case and special characters. Once done, make sure DHCP is enabled so the TV receives an IP automatically, which simplifies address assignment and avoids manual errors. After selecting your SSID, you'll authenticate. Type the password using the on-screen keyboard and make sure input method matches your remote. If the TV and router support WPS, you can press the router's WPS button and then confirm on the TV to pair without typing. Once authenticated, the TV negotiates IP, DNS, and gateway settings. You'll see a confirmation or a connection test. If updates are available, allow them now so the TV firmware and apps use the new network reliably. You finish by running the TV's network test. Confirm it shows an IP, gateway, and DNS and reports internet access. Next, open a streaming app to verify video playback and sign into accounts. This proves both connectivity and port access. If something fails, first power cycle the router and the TV, then reconnect. If problems persist, assign a static IP or set DNS to 8 on the TV to bypass local DNS issues. This often resolves stubborn name resolution errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.